So good day guys, you're welcome to this video and my channel. So today we'll be learning how to solve all issues related to Bluetooth on your Windows 10 or 11. So this video is going to help you solve your issues on Windows 10 or 11, missing Bluetooth not able to connect. So without wasting too much time, let's go ahead. So go ahead to check if you find your Bluetooth. I can't find my Bluetooth here in my action. So just go straight to your Windows and click on settings to open settings, and let's try to see if we can find Bluetooth there and what error code are we seeing. So we're going to go straight to Bluetooth and devices. So at the end of this video, you should solve your issue. So let's check through. You can see there's nothing like Bluetooth here. So I'll even try to search to see Bluetooth. So let's go ahead to search for this. So you can see Bluetooth and all that. So if I click on this and I click on add device, and click on Bluetooth, I'm going to say this error code you couldn't connect. So if this is what you're seeing, or you don't even find Bluetooth on your device, let's get it and solve this issue. By the end of this video, you should have your Bluetooth working perfectly. Like and subscribe. So let's go ahead to everything. So I'm heading back over to Bluetooth to make sure to show you guys that I don't have Bluetooth here on this system. So let's go ahead to solve this issue. So I'm going to close my settings app. I'm going to go straight to the process. So go ahead to your Windows icon and search for device manager. So I'll be searching for device manager. I'm going to open my device manager to get my issue solved. So just go ahead to click on open. I'm going to open my device manager. Then let me try to maximize this. So yeah. So go ahead. You're going to find out your Bluetooth here on your device manager. But first off, try to check if it is working well on service. So open your service application in your Windows 11 or 10 and try to locate anything Bluetooth by clicking on B, or you just see it's right there. It's not really far, so just click on B and make sure this status is showing running. To check it, you can even double tap on it and make sure it is starting and it is also running. It is also on manual, so click on manual starting and click on apply, then okay, then you should have your Bluetooth working well. So make sure this is done first before you go ahead to your device manager. So here in your device manager, look for Bluetooth here. So in case you cannot find your Bluetooth here, you can just go ahead to actions and scan for hardware changes. It's going to bring out your Bluetooth. So even if you're not seeing this here, you can just click on anywhere and click on help and show hidden devices. So view and show hidden devices, and you can see Bluetooth devices there on your system. And just try to locate this particular one. I'll be going to Intel, Bluetooth, wireless, whatever, and just double tap on that. So I'll be double tapping on that driver that is going to make our Bluetooth work, and I'm going to click on enable device. So once I enable my device, I should get my Bluetooth working. So I'm going to click on next. Then Bluetooth is going to install, and I'm going to click on done or finish. So once I'm done here, I'll just decide to close this off and make sure everything is working well. So you can see other things about the drivers, but let's test it. So I'm going to go ahead to my settings. I'm going to go over to Bluetooth and devices. Then you can see I can see my Bluetooth device, and I can even decide to turn on my Bluetooth. So you can see it is working properly here in this video. I can decide to add a device if I want to. You can see it's already connected to a device. So you want to click on, you can see add a device there. So this is what my problem has been solved already on my PC. But if your issue is not yet solved, I'm going to give you steps you can use to solve it. So just follow the same thing. So click on update driver. Click on update driver. The next thing is let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. So that's what I'll be tapping on. Then you will see different drivers. So try using any of them. I just try changing or switching everything, and then I click on next. Then your system's going to take a minute or two to install the old driver or any driver. So just try using a different driver to see if it's going to work. Then just click on wait for it to install. So use this moment to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Drop any reply you get from solving this issue. So if your issue is there, you can see it's down. I can just click on close to finish up this. That's installed. Windows has successfully updated your driver. Click on close. So once you're done with this step, check if your Bluetooth is working. Mine is still showing. Then click on close. Then you'll be alerted to restart your PC. So yes, you have to restart your PC to make sure it's going to work. So once you're done, restart your PC and check if it's going to work. You can see this, or you can decide to roll back your driver to a whole driver that was working before. Maybe after an update you received, you weren't able to use your Bluetooth again. So just try to roll back drivers and close this option, and also your make sure you restart your PC. Do not forget this because it's going to keep on bringing that prompt. So let's go ahead to the last method that you can use. Go ahead to your Microsoft, then click on your settings. Yeah, Windows updates is another method you can use. So I'm going to click on download update. I'm going to make sure I download all these updates here. And once I'm done, I have to restart my PC to make the issue. So once you downloaded all these updates, you have your problem solved. And I'm going to restart my PC once the download is complete. So let's just go ahead to the next step to do to get it done. So I'm going to go ahead to open my Microsoft Store. Going to be opening my Microsoft Store. I'm going to teaching you one application you have to install to get your Bluetooth work. So just go ahead and search for Driver Booster. So Driver Booster is the name of the software you'll be needing to update all your drivers. I'm going to click on driver here, IUBit, to make sure it's IUBit driver booster, and I'm going to download this. And so I have mine installed already. I just have to click on open. So once I've opened this device, the next thing for me to do is to zoom in, and I try to update every driver I have here on this application or software. So try to update everything. You should have your problem solved after you've installed everything and it's showing up to date. So this is the step you have to follow. Then you have to restart your PC. So once you've done restarting your PC, your Bluetooth should work properly on your system. And you can start to see, or you can see my Bluetooth is working very, very well. I can connect devices and everything is working properly. So why not like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and drop any reply you got in the comment section. Thank you very much.